Hi, this is Jeff Haas with Perpetual Motion Studios. Today I'm going to show you how I draw the characters for the sitcom Scratch and Sniff, my animated series. Scratch and Sniff is hand-drawn animation, but it's done digitally directly into the computer. I'm using my WACOM digitizing tablet, and I'm drawing directly into Toon Boom, the animation software. I start with a blue line, which is my rough sketch. In this case, I'm drawing Sniff. It's really a wonderful technology to be able to do all of this work digitally. It actually enabled someone like myself to single-handedly produce the 20 minutes of animation that went into a Scratch and Sniff episode. Now that the rough drawing is completed, I would then, on another cell level, go in with a black colored line and then retrace and clean up the character. That would be the final step right before coloring. Now, of course, we're not talking about a static drawing like what I'm doing here. For the show, I'd have to do several hundred, if not a few thousand drawings for each episode to animate. And we're not going to go into that today, but this is generally the process I went through to produce the show. Now, being limited animation, I didn't always draw the character in completion like I am here. You know, a lot of times in the show, I would simply draw the head on one level if that was the only part that was really being animated. Once the drawing is completed, you can see here I'm adding the color. And Sniff is a very simple drawing. He doesn't require a lot of colors, blacks, whites, and grays, and that's pretty much it. But by using Toon Boom, the WACOM tablet, and being able to draw directly into the computer, it saved a tremendous amount of time. And it allowed me to produce the show, like I said, as an individual, because I was working full time at the time the episodes were being produced. Making efficient use of time in order to create 22 minutes of animation for each episode was kind of important. Well, there you have it. There's a drawing of Sniff, one out of a couple of thousand that would go into a finished episode. So I hope you found that interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.